Happy Valentine's Day, beautiful glam girls. Welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a fun little Fashion Nova haul for Valentine's Day, just a little inspo. There are some lingerie pieces, but I don't show everything. If you are dying to see more, go check out my bikini haul. I'll leave it in the card somewhere here or down below. But I try not to show too much because lingerie is for your man or your girl or whoever, you know, just for the privacy, for tonight after dinner or before dinner if you're smart, because nobody wants to be kissing and after you eat, mouth smelling like garlic. Or maybe that's just me because I actually eat at Valentine's Day dinner. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this quick haul. I'm gonna get right to it, and I'm gonna do little voiceovers of the items as I'm showing them to you, because I know some of you guys like the talking and the showing at the same time. So I try to please everybody. We aim to please here, like they say in 50 Shades of Grey. Who saw the movie? We just went to see it on the 11th, and I liked it. You know, you guys know I don't look to these movies to be like Oscar worthy. They're supposed to be fun and flirty and cute, you know. But anyway, let's get into the haul because I'm gonna keep talking. All right, everything's from Fashion Nova. Go to fashionnova.com. You can use XO Gabriella for some money off. All right, let's get started. So this tee here I really love. It's a super easy little crop top, as you guys can see. Really comfortable. I love the font here that says Babe because it looks like Barbie, and I love the pink and the black together. Like, you just can't go wrong. This is like one of those really easy simple tops you put on with some sweats, a nice duster for the spring, and you have a cute little outfit. But it really is just like wearing pajamas. Love this top. So this sweater that says Blessed, I really like. It's super cute, super comfortable. Another one of those easy pieces that is like a crop top. You can wear it with some sweats or leggings with sneakers, and it's just like my favorite thing. You guys know I love athleisure. In my everyday life, I'm wearing leggings and sneakers and a t-shirt. These are perfect for the spring. I love that it says Blessed. It's great. It's simple. Nothing to say here. It's really simple. But if you don't like cropped versions of tops and sweaters, then you might want to pass on this t-shirt as well as this sweater. Black top is more like barely a top. It's like a long bra. It's really tight. It runs really small. So if you are a true 3X, I would just skip it all together, unless you want to wear it as like a really skimpy crop top. It is super tight, not in a super bad way, not like it's gonna cut off your circulation, but it definitely is on the tight side. But I do like the strap and then half of the ruffle shoulder. It made me feel like Beyonce in Run the World when she was like with the feathers. That's how I felt. You can see in the clip. I really like it for a summer outfit with like a high-waisted skirt or something, but it is on the tight side, and it runs very small. This jumpsuit I really liked. I thought it was super cute. It has a nice little stretchy tightness to it, so it like clings to your body and kind of like sucks you in a little bit. So it is on the tight side. It's a thicker material, so it's not see-through, and I like that the off the shoulder is very tight, so I don't feel uncomfortable like it's sliding down, but it also didn't like cut off my circulation. With this kind of jumpsuit, you can wear a regular bra and just stuff these straps down. For me, that's a little bit more comfortable than a strapless bra, and I don't mind the feeling of the straps down, so I would definitely recommend doing that. This trench coat was really cute. I liked it. It had a really nice material. I like the structure of it. The only thing is that for me, because my hips are so big, it does run a little bit small in the hip area. But I love that it has pockets. It has the ties, so you can, you know, tie it up. And it was a really good length for me. I think if you're taller, it might look a little odd because, you know, if you're tall, you want it to either come like right under your knees or you want it to go all the way down. Whereas for me, it kind of like hits like the knee area. So if you're taller, I don't know how it's gonna look because it's not gonna go all the way down to your ankles. It might be a little odd, or it might be above the thigh, which might work. So I think it depends. I'm like 5'2", so you could go from there. If you're a lot taller, then you know it's gonna look different. But I liked it. I wish it had a little stretch to it. It has no stretch, but I also like the length of the sleeve because, like I said, I'm short and it hit me right at the wrist. But again, if you're tall, it might have an odd cutoff point, so that's just something to think about. Overall, I really liked it. You guys know I love dusters and the whole plaid checkered thing. I don't really like that look, but right now it's very in trend, so I wanted to switch it up and kind of push myself to get out of my comfort zone, and I actually like it. So this bra that you're seeing is actually a two-piece. It comes with like a little garter skirt, but the skirt is too short and too small for me. It just won't, there's no way it's gonna fit my butt. So I like the top. The top runs big, the bottom runs small, but that is because my body personally always smaller on top. My waist is a lot smaller than my hips, so yeah, I always have that problem. But it was a really cute little set. So if you are on the smaller side, it has like the little connecting garter. I'll try to put a picture of what it looks like on the website. So it has like the little connecting garter clips, and you can wear it all together, and it's like a cute little get up. But for me, I like the bra alone. I thought it was really pretty. Next piece is a teddy. It's a one piece or like a bodysuit, but it has buttons on the crotch. For me, it didn't fit, so like when I tried to put it on with the buttons on, the buttons came undone, so it didn't fit me like all the way. But I like to wear these kind of bodysuits as like outerwear with like jeans and stuff, and I'll post a picture right here from Instagram where I'm actually wearing this exact teddy as a bodysuit. And I really like to do that because then you can just put the, you know, the clips in your jeans, and it just looks like you're wearing lingerie under your jeans, and it's like very Kardashian basic, but I love it. I think it's so sexy. Last piece is this neon lingerie bodysuit, which I really love. The entire back is almost completely backless. It's really cute. This one has a little bit more stretch and it's a little bit tighter, and this one did fit me a little bit better. The cups are bigger, so I feel like it is better for a bigger person, a bigger woman. And I like that the cups on it have underwire, and I love the color. I think it's super fun. It's one of my favorite colors for Valentine's Day because it's like this neon hot red, and it's like a very passionate, fun color, and it's not like the, you know, the first color that you might have in your wardrobe. So for Valentine's Day, it's really fun and sexy to like change it up and give your significant other something like cool to look at, you know. It's like exciting. So I personally love this color for lingerie, and I think it's so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Like I said, everything is from Fashion Nova, so check out Fashion Nova down below. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Have a great Valentine's Day, and don't forget to love yourself first, most importantly, because if you can't love yourself, how in the hell you gonna love somebody else? Can I get an amen? Where's RuPaul? Okay, bye guys. Mwah.